Welcome back to This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add order tracking page on Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Shopify, I need you to click the Start Free Trial option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding an order tracking page to your Shopify store enhances the customer experience by allowing them to track their orders easily. And Shopify offers a basic order tracking as part of its standard functionality, but it's often integrated into the order status page rather than a standalone page. All right. Now, the first step that we are going to do is to enable Shopify's order tracking. And for us to do that, we need to go to the settings first, which can be found at the bottom left corner. Right, click on that and click on discard. We're going to the settings. Now, once you are here, basically Shopify automatically includes the order tracking links in the shipping confirmation email sent to customers. You have to ensure these notifications are enabled by going to the settings notification and checking the shipping confirmation and shipping update notifications. All right, that's the first thing that we need to do. Now, the next thing that we are going to explore is go to the profile again in our online store, and then I need you to click the online store and click on themes. All right, just wait for it to load, because from here, and then hover down to where it says pages, there's going to be an option at the upper right corner where you can put in add page. All right, this is very important because from here you can put in something like, but this is going to be for order tracking. Now you can customize all these to make it visually stand out. Now, after that, you see the search engine listing preview is going to be order tracking. All right, I want you to click on save, and then now we need to click on save. This is very important. All right. Now, after that, we need to paste a code here and click on save. Once we save all of it, you might want to check the page for now before we finalize the information. All right, as you can see, it's not happening. So now we want to make sure that the script is correct. Click on save again, and let's click on the view page. Now let's check it again if now this is really working, because you already have the order tracking set up, and you can simply enter your tracking number here to see your order status. After doing this, the next step that we need to do is we need to add a dedicated order tracking page using one of the Shopify apps. Now, for a more robust tracking experience, we can use Shopify apps. Just go to the add apps here and go to the Shopify app store. That could provide the dedicated tracking pages and enhanced features. One of the best is, one of the recommended apps for order tracking is going to be called Aftership. Just press enter. All right, so you see Aftership order tracking. It's free plan available. All right, so you can click on the view demo store because it would definitely give you something like this one. All right, the store is password protected. Use the password, enter the store, and click enter. All right, just put in the tracking details, and that's that. Remember that adding an order tracking page to your Shopify store offers several significant benefits for both your customers and your business. Now, when you go to the Shopify store again, now on the app section, there's also another app that is called Tractor Order Tracking. If you want to click on the view demo store, you might want to check on that. This is one of the best tracking apps here on Shopify. You see, you can reduce support, explain fulfillment, instant updates, and a lot more. Order tracking plus email, click on track. It's very easy and very convenient. Now, if you feel like this is not for you, you might want to check another app which is called 17 track order tracking. So I've used this in the past. You see, It has a global order tracking to reduce support requests. And if you click on the view demo store, here it is. It's one of the best. Again, package 1, package 2, your orders in transit. They will give an estimate on where the location are. It's very simple, all right? Now, this is one of the best dedicated order tracking page using on the Shopify apps, which is free. And if you want to scale up, just upgrade to a different plan. After that, now we need to go to the navigation. And then once we're here, I need you to click on the main menu and click on add menu item. All right, just wait for it to load. And then now here, all I'm going to do is search for a paste a link. And that's going to be... Now, the options are homepage, search collections, products, pages, blogs, blog posts, and policies. I need you to click on the pages, and what will happen is, you see the page that we have created earlier is going to be here, order tracking, right? Now, once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click on the add button here at the bottom, click on that, and of course, you need to click on save. Do not forget to hit this button here. After it's been saved, and the menu has been updated, we might want to check our online store to see if the effect has been successful. You see, we already have the order tracking added here on our store, right? Now, please remember that this allows your customer support team to focus on more complex issue, improving overall operational efficiency by offering a self-service tracking option, right? Who doesn't want that? You can reduce the volume of customer service inquiries related to order status, shipment delays, or tracking information, because a well-designed order tracking page conveys professionalism and reliability, reinforcing customer trust in your brand, because you are providing accurate real-time tracking information, which helps build trust by showing customers that you are transparent and, of course, in control of the shipping process. So again, adding a tracking page to your Shopify store not only improves the customer experience, but also enhances the operational efficiency, builds trust, and provides valuable insights that could help grow your business. And there's a lot of many tracking apps that could provide performance metrics that we have shown you earlier, and reports that could help you assess shipping times, carrier performance, and customer satisfaction. Remember that proactive updates and notifications will help keep customers informed and engaged throughout the delivery process. All right? And analyzing this data helps you make informed decisions to improve your shipping and delivery process. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.